Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have no makeup on and I'm kind of embarrassed, so having no makeup is because we're going to talk about the heated eyelash curler. Before we dive into the review of the product, I want to kind of give you a little background how I got this item for free. So one day I just got an email from a random person and she's asking, you know, they're just looking for someone to review their products and see if I'm interested to writing a review. At first I thought, I was like, I'm not sure about this, it's kind of scammy. Is this something that I'm gonna lose my money over with? So I told myself, like, why not? You know, I might as well give it a try. I have nothing to lose because it is sold through Amazon. It's free return. It's backed by Amazon, so there's no way I could lose my money. And I'm actually really glad I took that offer because it's completely free because she reimbursed me the whole amount including the PayPal fees. So I was like, wow. I never thought I would come by this opportunity in a million years, honestly. So, you know, if you get like inquiries like that in your inbox, don't ignore it. Sometimes it could be a good deal, sometimes it's not. The eyelash curler is called the Touch Beauty Essentials. Comes in a really pretty white box and a beautiful sleeve with a matte finish of cover, and it comes with a USB charger. I'm not sure if it's a USB-C, but it comes with a charger and a little manual. Honestly, I gotta say the pen is really cool. So what it is really, if you don't know already, it's a heated eyelash curler. It's been out in the market for a while because I've heard about it like a couple years ago, but I never thought it was possible. I always thought you had to go to a salon to get it done. I never knew that there was a pen out there that you can just DIY yourself at home. So what it is basically the silicone heats up and all you have to do is press the button to turn it on and press it again to adjust the heat level. There's 3 levels. 3 heat levels are around 55 Celsius, 70 Celsius, and 85 Celsius. You choose whichever temperature you would like to experiment with. Everybody's eyelash reacts differently, so I suggest you to start at the very lowest temperature. Do not burn yourself. So let's read the manual. It talks about
a safety turn off. If you're not using it for 5 minutes, it will just turn off so you don't one day just forget about it and you burn yourself in your makeup bag.
Or worse, it melts everything else in your makeup bag. So, are you ready to see the magic with this little thingy? I like to use the secondary temperature level. It's about 75 Celsius. It's not too hot that my eyeballs and eye hair can still handle it. Still gotta be careful and not poke your eye out with it. I'm gonna give it 15 seconds for it to heat up a little. This is my eyelashes before. Super duper stylish, short and pointing down and poking myself. So the direction says that you should put on mascara, but for the sake of this test, I'm gonna do one with and one without. So we're just gonna do one without mascara at the moment. Ooh, are you seeing the difference? After, without the mascara, can you see the difference? I can see a difference with my tiny lashes. Let me try the other one with mascara. I mean, with mascara, it's really like just cheating because the mascara already put you way up there. Oh, see? It already turned off because it's been a while. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. naturally it just curls up. When do you actually need an eyelash clampy thing? I don't know. Tell me if you don't see a difference. I see a huge difference in my eyelashes. Yeah, this side could need a little love, but I feel like the mascara plays a huge part because it makes your eyelashes a little stronger and more stiff. It's just like if you curl your hair but you don't put any products in it, it's not going to last. So to turn it off, we're just gonna hold on to it and then it's off. But one thing about this is after you use the mascara, I will apply it again because most of it, a big chunk of it, is melted on top of here. Yeah, see, it's all mascara up here. That is the only con about this thing, and I would say it's not a deal breaker for me because when I take off my makeup, I would just use the remaining solution cloth, whatever that I'm using, to remove my makeup to clean this thing. It's very easy to clean, just don't be lazy and let it build up like your normal mascara clampy thing. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this cool gadget that I got. I personally really like it. I would definitely keep using it, and because I do not like the traditional eyelash clampy thing, because I had a really bad experience with it. I was using one that's too old and the foam already wore out, so it's metal clamping against the metal, and it cut my eyelashes. So thank you to your merchant marketing person from China, from Touch Beauty. I love this product. I will keep using it, and rechargeable battery is great. Let me see. I want to see how long this entire battery life lasts me. For now, it lasts up to 10 hours, it says, for a full charge. And I can say that I've been using it for more than 10 plus times, and then I've only charged it for once in a long time. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, so I just did a really quick test on this makeup session here. My eyelashes are still curly. You guys see?